buying furniture for the elderly with special needs. If you are challenged with buying furniture for an elderly person, there are a few things you should keep in mind as you start your search. First, how is that person's health and physical condition? Can he or she easily rise from and sit down into a chair? If not, furniture with special options are available. The seats of chairs and recliners rise to a higher level with the push of a button. The elderly person can simply back against it, then lower himself down to a seated position by pushing another button. Furniture technology is great. Another thing to consider when picking out furniture for an elderly person is the fabric or upholstery on the item. If the elderly person tends to slide out of seating easily, a couch with a slick leather upholstery might not be as good a choice as one with a textured fabric. The texture of the fabric can help prevent slipping out of the seating. Make sure the furniture you pick out for an elderly person is easy to clean. If they have other health issues that might mean occasional soiling of the furniture, they will need to be able to clean it quickly and thoroughly. Most important when buying furniture for an elderly person is to remember that even though his or her eyesight might be a little less than it once was, the furniture should still be appealing to his or her taste. If your grandfather hates floral fabric, don't buy him a room full of furniture with huge magnolia blossoms on it just because you happen to like it. If you are incorporating this furniture into your living quarters, and you and the elderly person who will be sharing your space disagree on furniture tastes, do your best to get the new furniture in a complementary shade or fabric. It doesn't have to be an exact match. Use a solid blue lift chair to coordinate with your blue, burgundy and green floral sofa and love seat. Make every effort to respect his or her taste while accommodating any special needs. If you are buying furniture for an elderly or special needs person, ask questions of your furniture rep. Tell them about your special needs and concerns. Furniture sales reps are trained to help you fill your needs. If your local furniture store doesn't carry what you need, chances are the salesperson can refer you to a website or medical supply store that does. If ordering furniture from a website, be sure you know all the shipping and handling costs up front. Also, find out warranty information. Don't overlook medical supply stores in your furniture quest. In addition to medical necessities such as oxygen tanks, portable toilets and wheelchairs, many carry furniture items like lift chairs and recliners that can greatly improve comfort and quality of life. If at all possible, take the elderly person you are buying furniture for on your shopping trip. Ask for input. This will ensure your furniture purchase is one you'll be happy with for a long time.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.